So Discord, simply put, is a social media platform. It kind of looks like an old school chat room for anyone that is familiar with those. But the reason why we use Discord specifically for crypto or blockchain projects is because they've really found a home in the Discord platform. So it's a place where communities come and they can share their insights, they can ask questions, they can learn about the upcoming events and exciting announcements for the project that they're involved with. So it's a great place for the community to gather and get more resources. So one of the unique and awesome things about blockchain projects is that they are community driven, that they are shaped by the communities that participate in them. And if we don't have a unified place to all meet and participate together, it really becomes hard to organize. So if you're not on the Discord, if you're not participating in the community, you're missing out on all of the group being together and thinking through the exciting updates and thinking through the things that they want to change on the project or want to add to the project and really learning and growing from each other. Let's dive in and get you signed up for Discord. I do want to say that there's two different versions of the Discord platform. There's a desktop version and a mobile version. For this series of videos, I'm mostly going to focus on the desktop version, but at the end, we'll show you what the mobile version looks like so you can see the differences. So the first thing you're going to do is head to connectunited.com. We're going to click on the Discord icon, which is this one right here. All right, so we're going to pick a display name for ourselves, so what everyone will see us as in the Discord platform. So I'm going to choose this one and hit continue. Now it's going to take us through a series of CAPTCHA to make sure we are not a robot. All right, and we're going to put in our birthday here. Enter our email and choose a strong password. And right here, it's going to prompt us to get the desktop app. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'm going to head to my email. Okay, and we see this email here from Discord. We're going to go ahead and click the button in the middle that says verify email. Then we're going to be prompted to continue to Discord. All right, so we can see here on the left, the Connect Community Discord. That's the Discord server that we want to hop into, so we're going to click on it. It's going to ask a couple questions here. The first one, are you ready to connect and win together? Absolutely. Click yes. Hit next. Then we're going to go ahead and pick the language that we want to use. I'm going to pick English. Then these are the rules to the server. We can go ahead and read through these. These help keep the server safe and secure. Make sure we read all of those and click finish. Then I'm agreeing to these rules. All right, now we are in the Discord server for Connect. There's a few more steps we need to complete. You'll see at the bottom here, it's prompting you must complete a few more steps before you can talk. So we want to click this button here that says complete. So we'll need to verify our phone number. Click on verify. Okay, so we want to enter our phone number. Click send. And then it will send your phone number a 6-digit code. Okay, you're going to enter that code that you got on your phone and then enter the password you used to sign up for Discord to confirm those changes. Okay. It's going to ask you to scroll through these rules one more time. These rules are really important to keep the Discord safe. We're going to hit submit, and now we are good to go. So the first thing you'll see is the announcements channel. I want to take you around the Discord a little bit and show you what a channel is. So you'll see on the left here, all these different channels. And a channel is just a separate chat room, if you will. The announcements channel, you'll see here, isn't able for you to talk into it, but this is where Connect team members and moderators on the Discord server are able to make announcements, tell the community about upcoming events, and share good news. You are able to emoji these announcements, which I'm doing here, and you can even add different reactions, anything you like. So I want to add the block bot. I want to add the fire emoji. You can add as many as you want to. It's kind of a fun way to express yourself on the Discord. The other channel that I want to show you, which is really important and probably the most used channel on this whole chat or this whole server, I'm sorry, is the community chat channel. So you can see down here, the community chat channel. This is where most of the conversation will happen. This is where the community will come and ask questions to each other and make comments about what's going on in the projects. So I'm gonna go ahead and write, "Hi everyone, glad to be here." You simply just type it in this box, hit return, and it will post that message to the entire community. I do wanna make it pretty clear that this is a public chat. Anything you write will go out to everyone. So keep that in mind when posting your comments and questions. I know Discord can seem overwhelming. I want to kind of give you 3 quick ideas of how a beginner can use Discord as a really useful resource for you. So those would be the event section. We're going to show you where you can find the upcoming events and easily join right from the Discord and never miss a popular event. The announcements channel is also a really great one to be aware of. Updates and information that you need for each of the projects. And then the community chat. You want to be able to reach out to community members, see where the conversation is, and I'm going to show you where to find that. Let's dive back in. All right, to get to the events tab, you're going to come over here to this left scroll bar and scroll to the top. You want to click this button right here that says events. It'll have a number next to it that shows you the amount of events that are currently loaded into the event section that you can join. So I'm going to click on it and it will show us the events. There's actually one happening right now. So if I wanted to, I could click this link and join this call that's happening as we speak called Website Enhancements. I can also see here that there's a Connect Monthly Town Hall, and this one actually is a recurring event, and it will show up on each of these dates. So I can mark my calendar and make sure that I'm available to see these calls. The cool thing about this is if I want a reminder about these calls, I can easily click this button here that says interested. When I click that, I can choose whether I'm interested in all of the events in this series or only this one event. I'm gonna choose all. I wanna be reminded every time there's a Connect Town Hall. I click OK, and now I will be told every time there's a Connect Town Hall coming up. It'll send me a reminder, and then it'll send me, at the time the event starts, the link to join. So that's the events. I'm gonna X out of that. Now let's dive into the announcements. So the announcements channel can be found at the very top of the Connect Community section, here again on your left menu. I'm going to click on that. So now I'm in the announcements section. You can scroll up to see all the announcements that have been made really since the beginning of this channel if you wanted to. So this is where you're going to find exciting updates, important information. Whenever there's a call, it'll also be reposted in here. You can see here that a team member can tag everyone in the Discord. So this @everyone means everyone will get a notification when this announcement is posted. That notification will look something like this red bubble here with a 1 next to it. And that'll alert you that there's an important announcement that you should check out and go read. So you can just scroll through here some of the interesting stuff that's been going on in Connect, some interesting calls, good stuff in this channel. You'll notice that the bar where you normally can post a message is grayed out, and it has a message here that says you do not have permission to send messages in this channel. All right, let's dive into now the community chat. So that's also in the Connect Community section here. So you're gonna click on that, and you're gonna see here the community's conversation. So that call I mentioned that was happening right now, we have some feedback from the community talking about how awesome it was. I'm gonna go ahead and type a message in here since I missed it and ask the community what was announced on that call. Sad I missed the call. It's a great way to ask questions about blockchain if you're new to blockchain. There's so many great community members here that have so much wisdom to share. It's an awesome way to kind of learn and join the community and participate. As you'll notice on the Connect server, there's lots of different channels to choose from for you to participate in. Some are just information channels as a resource for you to see all of the official links or resources for you to jump into in order to learn more about the project. And some are for you to participate and chat in. There are different roles in the Discord server for Connect. For example, there's a moderator role. A moderator role gives that user that owns that role permission to remove things like spam or things that might be offensive, or kick out bad actors that come into the Discord to cause harm. Another way we use roles is by opening up the opportunity to join private channels. For example, if you are a Switch node owner, you can get the Switch node owner role, which allows you to have access to private channels where only Switch node owners can join. You'll need to first verify with the team that moderates the Discord that you are in fact a Switch node owner. Let me show you what that looks like. So we're going to scroll down here under the support section and click on node verification. You'll see here these simple instructions from Blockbot that explains how you verify your node. We're going to start by clicking this button that says Node Verify. By clicking the Node Verify button, you open a ticket with the moderator team in order to make sure you are in fact a node owner. You want to click this hashtag ticket. So what you want to do next is take a screenshot of your Connect dashboard that shows the nodes that you own. Save that to your desktop of your computer. Now that you have your screenshot of your Connect dashboard, you're going to click the plus sign next to the message bar. We want to upload a file. So go and find the image that you took of your Connect dashboard. Here's mine, and click on it and then click Open. Now you have that loaded into this ticket for the moderator team to verify. We're going to click Enter, and that will upload to the ticket. Now that your screenshot is loaded in the ticket, the moderator team on Connect will go ahead and get you access to every node owner channel that you should have access to. It typically takes our team about 24 hours to get you access to your node owners channels. However, through the magic of television, it's already done. Let's show you what it looks like now back on the server. So you'll see here on your left menu bar, if I scroll down, I now have access and switch to the node owners channel. So if I click in here, you'll notice again that I have access to go ahead and write messages. This is a channel that you can contribute and send messages to the community. However, the only people that will see these messages are other node owners. Now's a great time to talk about Discord do's and don'ts. The Discord is not a great place for personal customer service issues. We never want you to share account-specific or screenshot issues on the community chats or really anywhere on the Discord. Those questions are better suited for our customer support team to handle with you directly at support.connectunited.com. The Discord is a great place for you to ask general questions. When's the next exciting event? What did I miss on the last call? Explain to me a little bit more about how cryptocurrency works. All of those questions are so great to come and ask on the Discord. I also want to emphasize you should never ever share your account information, your account passwords, or your 12-word seed phrases. Those should never be shared on the Discord, even if you're asked by someone representing themselves as a Connect team member. Connect team members will never ask for that information. We do sometimes get bad actors on the Discord, which we remove as quick as we can. However, if that were to ever happen to you, please never share that information. Your safety is our number one concern, and we are very vigilant in getting those people out of the Discord. However, we want to emphasize never, ever, ever share your account credentials with anyone. As I mentioned earlier, there's a few differences between the mobile version and the desktop version. So I want to go over a few of those to show you what they look like. All right, we're in the Connect Community Discord server. You'll notice you can only see one section at a time. The navigation is a little bit different. At the bottom here, you'll see 4 icons: servers, messages, notifications, and you. You is where your account settings are in here. Notifications will show you the different times either you were mentioned in the server, or if one of the moderators does an @everybody message, it'll show up here as well. So this is a good place to check when you first log on to see what you missed. Messages is a direct communication between you and a friend on Discord. And servers is back to where we started. So this will be the same list as you saw on your desktop that we showed you. Let's click in to the community chat and see what that looks like. Again, we're only seeing one section at a time. At the bottom, you'll see the message bar, and this is where you will type a message. The purple arrow will send your message. So to get back to the menu screen, you'll see at the top of this screen, there's an arrow. We'll click that. That'll take us back to the navigation menu with all of the options for channels. Again, we'll highlight the event section is at the top, just like in the desktop version. We'll click on that and show you what it looks like. To get out of here, you'll just scroll down. We can click into the announcements section. To click back out, you can click the back arrow at the top. And if you scroll down, you'll see all of the channels that you have access to currently. And that's the mobile version. I could talk all day long about Discord. There's so much it has to offer. We haven't even scratched the surface of the resources available on the server. But the best way to learn how to use Discord is to start using it. So head on over to the community, chat with the people over there, ask questions, give insightful things that you see that you like or don't like. We love the feedback. We're building this community together. Come be a part of it.